There's that fist. Fiesta. Let's go talk to this Fiesta. Party time. Yeah, I like your Fiesta. I like your Fiesta.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, dude. Is this thing a lot of fun?
It's definitely fun.
Yeah, 6-speed, right?
Yeah, 6-speed.
That's awesome. I'm glad that they did that. It's sad that they're gone now, but
Yeah, I know. Only the UK gets the newer ones.
those jerks. Yeah, right on, man. I mean, is it all stock? It looks like you might have kind of like a controller.
Pretty much stock. It's just a radiator and an intercooler right now.
Cool, dude. Yeah, have fun. EcoBoost, bro. Yeah, again, this is not a fast motorcycle, but it's still a motorcycle, which means it's quicker than most cars. And that little car has some oomph to it. He was just kind of getting on it there. Oh, you got cut off, Fiesta. What you gonna do? There you go, there you go. He's gonna go for it. This Malibu is just killing me. See ya, Fiesta ST and random Yamaha. Oh, the dirty bird. Ghetto bird.